Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about Java. What is Java? Java is an object-oriented, class-based, concurrent, secured and general-purpose computer programming language. You all know that programming language is a language which helps to communicate with the system. The user communicate with the system to do the necessary job what he wants to do. So it is a widely used robust technology. What is robust technology? It is a strong technology. So here we all heard about Java is becoming Java is one of the hot topic in discussed in the computer science field. And now here object oriented means here Java is based upon the class and the objects. You should know what is an object. Object is a thing like where we can it has some features and functions. It will perform some function. It has some features. For example, you say a car is an object, and that car is a can this car can has the features as the wheel, the brake, the windows, the steering, everything. They are all the features. And what are the methods is the car can stop, the car can run, the car can we can put the brake in the car. So these are all the functions. So any thing which can be operated and can have some features that are called as an object, and this object comes under the class. So what is the class? Class is a group of entity where we can have some related type of elements in the class. For example, you say the class of fruits. Under the class of fruits we have many objects like orange, apple, banana and all those. Like when you are having a class of vehicle, we can say there are many objects like car, bus, train, aeroplane, etc. So the class is a group of is an identity where you can have some collection of the things. Okay, so here this Java program is implemented is developed by James Gosling, and he is called as the father of Java. And here before it was named as Oak. And main important things about the Java is a platform independent software. What is the platform independent is Java can be written in any system and it can be run in any system. We call this as write once and run everywhere. Okay, so that is the basic concept of Java. Java is platform independent where Java can be written. Java program can be written in one platform. It can be executed in the other platform. You should know what is a platform. Platform is an environment on which the program runs. For example, to conduct the class, we have the classroom as the platform. Now we are having the online class, so our online the Google Classroom is the platform in which the students can assemble to get the class content. Okay, so environment is the platform where the work can be done. Okay, so here since Java has an runtime environment, what is runtime environment is it is the runtime environment called as its API. So it is as runtime environment and API, which is an application program interface. Now here in the screen we can see a small Java example program. The program always starts with the class and then the class name. You can see here class space class name open brace, and it always has this main function as public static void main. This is the syntax of this Java. You cannot question why it is like this. It is a syntax should be followed in the programming language public static void main. So here the main function is the public function and it returns nothing, which is void, and it is a static function. In the coming classes we will see what is static means. Okay, and then within brackets string space arg of s. Here this is the argument this is the command line argument, which is the of string type. So whatever the input you give in the program to the test is always of string, and if it is you want it convert as an integer, you have to use the int function or parse int function. Okay, and then just this program is a simple program with just to print the message on the screen system.out.println hello Java, and close the braces which has been opened previous. And here this system.out.print. So system is the class and out is the method, and then println is the method of this out class. Okay, so here this is similar to the print statement in C language you have learned so far. So this is the simple structure of a Java program, and in the next classes we will see where the Java is used for. That is the applications of Java. And thanks for watching.